Our topic for this presentation is going to be about how us humans are destroying the world slowly, and about how we're going to give some examples and ideas of how we can slowly fix it to at least.
How well do you know about climate change? Do people really pay attention to these type of situations?
There are three main facts about climate change. The first fact is, according to the IPCC, from 1880 to 2012, average global temperature increased by 0.85 degrees Celsius. The second fact is, the Paris Agreement aims to combat climate change and to promote a sustainable low-carbon future. Fact number 3 is, due to warming, global average sea level rose by 19 centimeters from 1901 to 2012.
Let's take a look at the atmosphere and its composition. Nitrogen makes up 78%, oxygen makes up 21%, and argon makes up 0.9%, and the rest of the gases constitute to 0.1%. There are 6 major gases that are causing climate change, and they are carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, hydrofluorocarbons, perfluorocarbons, and sulfur hexafluorides.
This graph shows the drastic rise in climate temperature, which is caused by gases in the atmosphere such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and chlorofluorocarbons, which trap both the sun's natural heat and the heat from man-made structures which burn fossil fuels.
Pollution is the introduction of harmful materials in the environment. Pollutions can be natural, such as volcanic ash. They can also be created by human activity, such as trash or runoff produced by factories. Pollutions damage the air quality, water, and land.
Many things are useful to people produce pollution. Cars spew pollutants from their exhaust pipes. Burning coal to create electricity pollutes the air. Industries and homes generate garbage and sewage that can pollute the land and water. Pesticides, chemicals, poisons used to kill weeds and insects sweep into waterways and harm wildlife.
Scenes like this are a daily reality for the crew of Seeker on their Pacific Trek. Some estimates hold that by 2050, there could be as much plastic as there are fish in the ocean.
Future generations are in big trouble, but for now, it'll gradually continue to get warmer and storms will grow more intense, with longer periods of drought in between. But longer term, if emissions continue to rise unchecked, the climate disasters will be so severe they will destabilize entire nations.
Experiment for you, safety glasses on. By the end of this century, if emissions keep rising, the average temperature on Earth could go up another 4 to 8 degrees. What I'm saying is the planet's on fucking fire. There are a lot of things we could do to put it out. Are any of them free? No, of course not. Nothing's free, you idiots. Grow the fuck up. You're not children anymore. I didn't mind explaining photosynthesis to you when you were 12, but you're adults now, and this is an actual crisis. Got it? Safety glasses off, motherfuckers.
These pictures show just how serious the result can be if our generation and the ones after us keep ignoring this issue.
To help climate change, you can change your transportation as it accounts for 24% of it. You can always take public transit, ride a bike, car share, or switch to an electric or hybrid vehicle. Also, flying less will definitely help. Another way to help would be to invest in solar panels and wind turbines. Also, renewable energy is the best choice for the environment and economy. Another way would be to put a price on pollutions. It will make consumers want to produce less harmful chemicals. These things go for both pollution and climate change, as there is air pollution, but there are also different types. For air pollution, cut down on fires, making them, and avoid gas-powered equipment. But for pollution on land, always recycle, pick up after yourselves, use reusable containers. Don't forget to recycle, cut down on plastic bags, cups, straws, use renewables, and always reuse or pass down clothes.
Hi, what's your name? What do you think about climate change?
Bro, they're taking time away from our.
So in the future, what do you think will happen?
Bro, let's go interview the whole football team.
Are you scared?
Oh, we're kidding. They're not gonna be here now.
What would you do to prevent it?
Stop littering.
Or something.
How do you think we got in this position in the first place?
I'd say the evolution of the car, mobile vehicles. As soon as that happened, they started digging for oil, and that led us to great big manufacturing companies and cell phones and new technology where it's just providing more air pollution into.
What do you think about these companies that know that we're in a serious situation and don't stop or try to at least fix the situation and keep these factories and cars going?
I think that they should just stop. I think that they're horrible for what they're doing. Honestly, they're just killing us. We have so many species of animals that are close to extinction. We have global warming. We have.
Think about climate change and us polluting the earth.
I think that it's very terrible. The world comes to an end soon.
And what would you do to prevent this future-wise?
Stop messing up the world.
We love the earth.